According to the National Association of Realtors, 68% of first-time homebuyers say they feel overwhelmed by the process. And honestly, I was too when I bought my first home. But here's the good news. After helping over 200 clients buy homes, I've cracked the code to doing it smartly, without draining your savings. In this video, I'll walk you through 5 foolproof steps to buy your dream home, plus exactly how to avoid the 3 most expensive mistakes most beginners make. Stick around. We're even covering a secret loan program that lets you buy with $0 down if you qualify. Number 1, financial foundation. Let's get real. Your finances are the foundation of home buying. Skip this step and you could waste months, or worse, buy a home you can't afford. Here's what to do. A, budget like a pro. The 28/36 rule. Your mortgage plus taxes plus insurance should be less than or equal to 28% of your gross income. Total debt, car loans, student loans, etc., should be less than or equal to 36%. Example, if you earn $5,000 a month, aim for $5,000 a month, aim for a $1,400 max mortgage payment. Graphic, simple math equation popping up. B, credit score. Check 620 is the minimum for most loans, but 740 plus gets you the lowest rates. For context, a 680 versus 740 score could cost you $50,000 plus in extra interest over 30 years. Pro tip, dispute errors on your credit report. Use annualcreditreport.com. It's free and can boost your score fast. C, save strategically. Down payments aren't the only cost. You'll also need 2 to 5% for closing costs, inspections, appraisals, etc. Hack, ask family for a gift letter. Yes, this is legal. Or explore down payment assistance programs. More on that later. Bottom line, get these 3 numbers solid before you even think about Zillow. Number 2, pre-approval power. A pre-approval letter is your golden ticket. It shows sellers you're serious and locks in your interest rate. Here's how to nail it. Shop lenders. Compare rates from banks, credit unions, and online lenders like Rocket Mortgage. Even a 0.5% difference saves you $15,000 plus on a $15,000 plus on a $300K loan. Avoid hard pulls. Get all quotes within 14 days. It counts as 1 credit inquiry. Red flag. If a lender won't give you a written pre-approval, walk away. Number 3, loan options decoded. Not all loans are created equal. Here's the cheat sheet. A, FHA loans. 3.5% down. Credit scores as low as 580. Catch. You'll pay mortgage insurance, MIP, for life of the loan if you put less than 10% down. B, conventional loans. 3% down for first-time buyers, but needs 620 plus credit. Perk, PMI drops after you hit 20% equity. C, VA loans. B-roll, veteran saluting. 0% down for active military Darty veterans? Yes, really. D, USDA loans. Graphic US map highlighting rural areas. 0% down if you buy in a rural area. Spoiler, many suburbs count. Psst, there's also NACA, a 0 down, no credit check program. Google it. Number 4, house hunting hacks. Time for the fun part, but don't fall for these traps. Location trumps everything. A cheap house in a bad area, harder to sell later. Inspect twice. A 500 inspection can save you double asterisk, 50,000 asterisk in hidden repairs. Negotiate everything. Ask sellers to cover closing costs, buy down your rate, or include appliances. Number 5, closing day, 1.5-minute segment. You made it, but don't celebrate yet. Do these 3 things at closing. Review the closing disclosure, Compare it to your loan estimate. Errors happen. Bring a cashier's check. Personal checks aren't accepted. Take photos of every doc. You'll need them for taxes, deductions. Boom! You're now armed with the exact steps to buy your first home without stress. If this helped, do me a favor. 1. Like this video. It helps others find it. 2. Subscribe. It's free. 3. Comment below. What's your #1 home buying fear? I'll reply with advice.